Hey yo, what it do? It's your boy J Lou, and you guys are just in time for another video. In this video, what I want to do is basically show you guys how to use a kit. Now, I have to admit, a lot of people have been telling me,
man, J Lou, how can I get waves like you? It has to be something more than brushing your hair or whatever the case is. I don't believe that you get your waves like that by just brushing.
So my normal subscribers know I got 720 waves, you know what I'm saying? These are waves that spin around your crown. And I have a confession to make. Your boy J Lou has been using kits since I started. Now I know that's gonna probably piss a lot of people off and be like,
man, I knew he didn't progress that fast by just brushing his hair. I knew he was lying about something.
But I'm not just using any kind of kit, so I don't want to waste any more time. Let's just jump straight into the video and show y'all what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the WaveBuilder's Wave-Tex wave making texturizer. Now when you first look at the box, you know what I'm saying, there's a lot of stuff that's on the box. Like I'll read some of this stuff to you. Now on the front it says it has a super gentle natural look formula, 3 easy step process, works in minutes. It has protein and amino acid fortified for serious wave training power. Now, some people may be wondering, why am I calling this thing a kit when it's a texturizer? If you look at the front of the box, it says that it is a kit. And then at the bottom, it states, perfect for difficult to wave hair. Works with other WaveBuilder products for maximum wave training. Leaves your hair soft, manageable, shiny, and always a natural look. Alright, now when it comes to the kit, some of the contents that are in this box, because all kits aren't the same. It says that it has the Wave-Tex Texturizer Cream, it has the Wave Booster Neutralizing Cream Conditioner, it has Wash and Wave Shampoo, and then it has the Brush and Waves Training Lotion. And then at the bottom it says it has a protective gel, which is petroleum, you know what I'm saying? There's also a disclaimer, it says keep out of reach of children at all times, read instruction sheet carefully before you use this product. If instruction sheet is missing for any reason, do not use this product. Now on the back of it, they give you an example of what your waves may look like and then what they can look like. And it says, start with this. Tired of the same old style you've been rocking for years? WaveBuilder is your complete wave building solution. Build it to this, packed with protein and amino acids. WaveBuilder makes it easy to get deep spinning waves. If you have problems getting waves, or if you want more defined waves, you have found your solution. I think this video is gonna help a lot of people out, you know what I'm saying? So now one thing I do want to say, when it comes to using a kit does not give you waves, you know what I'm saying? You still have to brush your hair, you still have to comb your hair, you still have to do-rag, you still have to compress and everything like that, you still have to moisturize. But a kit is like an easy step in the process to help speed it up, you know what I'm saying? So, but it's your boy J Lou, I'm about to get straight into it. Alright, so I'm about to open this bad boy up, you know what I'm saying? This is a brand new kit. I'm gonna just show y'all what they have in it. Alright, so like I was reading the instructions, they say if you don't have this instruction paper in there, then do not use the product. Even with this video, do not use this video as the means to go by using the kit, you know what I'm saying? Always read the instructions and everything like that, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you take your time. But the instructions basically just show you what you have to do, you know what I'm saying? It also has a list of things, the items that are not included in the kit but that you will need. So before using the kit, make sure you have a large tooth comb or wide tooth comb, like I always say, 2 clean towels, and a cape, which is optional. A cape is basically the thing I use to wrap around when I'm cutting my hair, or you can just use anything. You can use a sheet or whatever, and then a timer or a watch. Now it says important, before you begin, if you have never used a texturizer before, or if you have dyed or color treated your hair, or if your hair is easily damaged, you should do a test on a small area before you begin. Please follow instructions below for this test. Some of the warning says keep away from children at all times. You must follow all directions carefully to avoid skin and scalp burns, hair loss, and eye injury. Read the instruction sheet included in the kit carefully before you begin. Do not use if scalp is irritated or injured, on bleach or permanently color treated hair, or with hair that has been permed with ammonium thioglycolate. Do not use on hair which is breaking, splitting, or otherwise damaged. If you have previously relaxed or texturized your hair, apply this product only to new growth as described in the instructions. If the texturizer cream causes skin and scalp irritation, rinse out immediately immediately and wash with neutralizing conditioner in the kit. If irritation persists, consult a physician. If the texturizer cream gets into eyes, rinse out immediately and consult a physician. Now, those are all the warnings, you know what I'm saying, before you use it. I know a lot of people tend to say,
I don't feel like brushing or whatever the case is.
But one of the reasons most wavers may tell you just to brush your hair is simply because if you don't and you want to take this route of using a kit, those are all of the things that you have to worry about. Hair loss, scalp burn, skin burn, even getting it into your eyes, messing your vision up and everything like that, you know what I'm saying? So if you really want to put the effort in, a kit is something that you can do, but you really have to follow the instructions. Alright, so some of the things that come in the kit are these gloves. And one thing about these gloves that I don't want people to sleep on, you know what I'm saying? These gloves right here are perfect. I mean perfect for the plastic bag method, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times wavers tend to want to touch their head or basically rub their waves to lay their waves down, but it's better if you use something like this, simply because your skin has pores on it, and sometimes what happens is when you run your hand across your head, it takes the moisture out slowly but surely, you know what I'm saying? But when you have a plastic bag on, this is perfect, you know? So this is probably one of the best things in the box, you know what I'm saying? You can just basically use it to do the plastic bag method in your hair, and as you can see by me doing that, it'll help get my hair shine, you know? So alright, so now I'm about to get into the ingredients, you know what I'm saying, the things that you need to get really dope, healthy looking waves, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing that's in this kit that you will really need to get healthy, dope looking waves is a comb. You know what I'm saying? The next thing that's included in this kit that you will need is a do-rag. And the do-rag, the reason why they put a do-rag in this kit is simply because you need some kind of form of compression to lay your hair down. You know, without a do-rag or a stocking cap or anything like that, then your hair, you won't be able to save the product that you're making, you know? So what's the point of using a kit and then you don't have a do-rag and your waves get messed up and everything like that, you know? The next thing in the kit is a shower cap. And if you haven't checked my video out already, I have a video that I'll post right here, you know what I'm saying? This is how to better your waves in the shower. They give you this shower cap just to help. It's a processing cap, you know what I'm saying? When you use a kit, you have to put the products and the ingredients in there, and when it sits in your hair, it's better to use a processing cap, you know? So this right here is very good. All right, and then the last thing in this kit is a brush. And this right here is the most important thing in this kit, you know, because at the end of the day, you can put these products in your hair and everything like that, but you won't get waves if you don't use a brush, you know. So that's one of the things that comes out of the kit. The next thing is nothing else, you know. So I'm gonna have to call WaveBuilder because they said it was gonna come with all these creams and stuff like that. It said it was gonna come with the wash-in wave shampoo. I don't see that. It said it was gonna come with the neutralizing cream conditioner. I don't see that. It says it's gonna come with the texturizer cream. I don't see that either, you know what I'm saying? So, but one thing that I did get out of the kit was a really dope do-rag, you know what I'm saying? This is a So Many Waves do-rag. This is a Torino Pro brush. And I know a lot of you guys are wondering, like,
man, bro, I know that stuff don't come in a kit at Walmart, you know what I'm saying?
By now, you guys should know that I'm just messing with you guys, you know what I'm saying? I do not promote the use of putting any kind of texturizing products in your hair. By me reading out the directions and the concerns and warnings and everything like that, if that didn't scare you about using the kit because of all the potential damage your hair could get, or even your scalp, your eyes, or whatever, that I don't know what will scare you the most, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to make this video more so to be able to tell you guys it's really not that hard to get waves. You know what I'm saying? These are the things that are very beneficial. These are just the essentials that you need, you know what I'm saying? Like, all you need is a brush, all you need is a comb, and then you need a very, very good do-rag or some form of compression. And like I said, the most important thing, one of the most beneficial things, these gloves are the only original contents that came in the box that I saw was beneficial. Everything else, I threw in the trash because I was like, man, I am not about to put all these dangerous ingredients and chemicals into my hair, you know? Now, at this portion of the video, some of you guys may be pissed off, some of you guys may be mad, like, man, I really wanted to learn how to use a kit or whatever the case is, but I'm gonna show you guys why you shouldn't use a kit, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people always say,
oh man, don't use a kit, like all you gotta do is brush your hair.
And that may piss some people off that want to get waves and they've been trying to get waves for a long time, and they be like, man, it's not easy for me to get waves. You light skinned, it's easier for you, you got that good hair, you know what I'm saying? But I honestly don't have good hair, and when people have coarse hair, or some people tend to refer as nappy hair, that's not bad hair either, you know what I'm saying? All you have to do is take the time to learn what you need to do to make your hair healthy, and then once your hair is healthy and moisturized, it's easier for you to be able to get the waves that you want, you know what I'm saying? So right now I'm gonna read some of the ingredients off of some of these products that were originally in here that I threw in the trash. If this really don't get you to realize that you don't need to be using a kit, I don't know what to tell you. Alright, so the Wave-Tex Texturizer Cream, Petroleum, some of these things I don't even know how to pronounce. It's cetyl aryl alcohol, glycerin, sodium hydroxide, cetyl alcohol, so that's another alcohol that they have in there. It has PEG 20 hydrogenated lanolin. I don't even know what the PEG stands for, but I know lanolin. Myself personally, I have a skin irritation to lanolin. There's this PEG 40 stearate, there's ethylene, propylethylene, styrene, copolymer, butyethylene. They got ethylene, styrene, copolymer, and that's only in the texturizer cream. You know what I'm saying? That's only one product that you would have to put in your hair. On the next one, the Wave Booster, some of the stuff, phenol, trimethicone, phenol, capryl, glycol, man, some, like, I don't even want to go, listen to the shampoo, you know, it's like cyclopentosiloxane, diamethicone, glycol stearate, cetyl alcohol, polyquartznerium 10. So it's just like looking at these ingredients, I don't know why anybody would want to use a kit. Now, one thing I want to address are the people that's gonna say, oh man, this video is nothing but clickbait. Of course it's clickbait, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, in this generation, like, a lot of people are looking for quick fixes and microwave solutions and everything like that. And when it comes to waves, man, the truth is it takes a while to learn your hair. It takes a while to learn your angles. It takes a while just to be able to reach that elite status of waves, you know what I'm saying? So if you really want to do that, just understand that it's gonna take some time. Using a kit is not gonna help get you there faster. With these wave texturizers, a lot of people tend to fall into the trap of marketing because the way that they market it makes it seem as if, like, I'll be able to get dope looking waves. I know a lot of people who have coarser, curlier, kinkier hair that feel like,
oh, I want to have waves that look like this person over here, you know what I'm saying? This person got good hair and I don't have good hair.
And that really goes back into the lack of self-confidence that you have. Now, I do understand that there will be people that still use texturizers, you know what I'm saying? This video is not to talk bad about you guys, and this video is not to bash you or make you feel bad at using the texturizer, you know what I'm saying? All you have to do is take time to learn. For me, it only took 1 year of being on the wave pages to learn my hair and everything like that, and then I start making these videos and start helping you guys out, you know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, it doesn't take very, very long to be able to learn what you need to do. The reason why some people feel like they need a kit is because of the way that they're advertised, you know what I'm saying? When you look on the box of the kit, they typically have people that have coarser hair or whatever on the front, and they make it seem as if you put this kit in your hair, then you will get waves. But that's a marketing strategy. A kit only makes your curl type a little bit straighter than what it is, and that's why most people think that they need a kit, is because they want to have wider waves or space their waves out, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you put all these chemicals in your hair when there's way better products that you can use, all natural products that you can use that will help your hair be able to reach the maximum healthiness for your texture. At the end of the day, I don't have nothing against WaveBuilder, you know what I'm saying? I was a WaveBuilder Wave King. I use several of their products. If you want to check out other products by WaveBuilder, check out my previous videos. But yeah, man, some of their products are good, but not all of the products are good. And it's like with this Wave Texturizer kit, this is one of those products that is marketed to try to target people that feel bad about themselves, and a kit will do more damage in the long run than just learn how to take better care of your hair, you know? So that's the main reason why I wanted to make this video. At the end of the day, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any concerns, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I have several other videos that I made for you guys of different playlists that you can find, like right over there, and it's to help you take better care of your hair and everything like that. But I'm not gonna stress this video out any longer. Salute.